Hey everyone, welcome back to another session by Cybrix Labs, Tanishk here. And today's video is going to be super exciting as we are diving into a detailed comparison between Windsurf, a well-known AI coding platform, and OasisAI, a proudly Indian AI-powered VS Code extension. We will test both on almost everything from fixing bugs to building new UI components and even creating complete applications. By the end, you will know which one gives the better code, which one is easier to use, and which one stands truly out for the developers. By the way, Windsurf comes with its own IDE, so if you are using the VS Code, you will need to switch to the Windsurf environment to experience the full power. Whereas OasisAI integrates directly inside your VS Code, so you get the complete AI coding experience without leaving your favorite editor. So stay tuned till the end of this video and this comparison might just surprise you. Now let's move to the computer screen. So here you can see the UI, and here I want an informative bar that will be appearing above my nav. Okay, so first we will be using the OasisAI, and let's see if OasisAI helps us in doing so. Now moving towards the VS Code, here I have already customized my OasisAI with the application chatbot. Now let's move towards the PAN tab, and from the modes I will be choosing the CodeSweep. As you all know, CodeSweep can work with the cross files. So now here I will be giving I want a new component called informative bar that will appear above my nav. Okay, I will be giving this much, and let's wait for the result now what Oasis provides us. Okay, so the Oasis has started working and it is working on the code right now. Let's wait for the output. Okay, so the code is here. Okay, so Oasis also gives you the button. You can directly create the file. Now let's click here and it has created me the file. Okay, so we can cut it, and okay, so in the proceed, let's click on the proceed now. Okay, till then we can open the file, which is the informative bar. Nice. And now let's wait what Oasis provides us more. Okay, so the result is here. Yes. Okay, so now we need to go to the layout, and here we will be importing it. Import what is it, informative bar, and we will put it above our nav. Now let's go towards the UI and reload it. Okay, so here is the UI now. Welcome to the new flow. Experience next gen AI chat with the automation. So you can see the UI is pretty much cool, and Oasis has automatically detected it is an AI chatbot, and the name of the application also. Welcome to the new flow. Experience next gen AI chat and automations. Okay, so now let's move towards the Windsurf and see if Windsurf helps us in doing so. So here we are inside the Windsurf IDE, and I have removed the informative bar that Oasis provided us, and now you can see this is the UI. Now let's give the similar prompt to the Windsurf and see if Windsurf helps in doing so. So I want a new component called informative bar that will appear above my nav. Okay, so this was the prompt with Oasis, and this is now. So let's give it and let's see what Windsurf codes for us. Exploring the code structure to add informative bar above. Okay, your nav, I will scan your code base to locate where the nav is rendered, like lane layout. Okay, so what Oasis did, similar thing Windsurf is doing right now. Okay, so to add informative bar, I'll scan. Okay, same thing, it is still working over here. Let's wait for the result. Sailing, it is still working over the code. Okay, something has come, implementing I'll add informative component in the component UI and update your app layout.tsx to render it above the nav. Okay, the bar will be dismissible and configurable via props, so you can adjust the message later. Okay, okay, I think it is a bit slower than the Oasis because uh, I think Oasis would have given the result till now. So where are recommendations? Approve defaults above. Since I'm in chat mode and can't create files directly, either switch me to write mode so I can add the file. Okay, so from here I need to okay, got it. Now add the informative nav file. Okay, so this was also similar like Oasis has the CodeSweep mode. If you are not on the CodeSweep mode, then Oasis would not be helpful in making the new components. So here it is here are the modes, code and chat mode. Okay, so let's see. Yes, it is working on the informative nav right now. It is also showing the tokens, how much it will be using, I guess. Yes, okay, so here is it, and I will be accepting it. Okay, I will fix the type link href. Okay, so there was some link issue, this one href, and it is fixing it now. Nice. I will accept this also. I will accept this also, the changes made to the layout. Okay, now I will go to the layout, and here some issue is there, it is fixing it. TypeScript issue it is. Accept it, and now I think no issue is there, and it is still loading. So yes, informative bar is added. Now everything is fine. Let's move towards the UI, and I guess you can see after all this it took so much of the time and the result is not good because the color is not optimized. What Oasis did, Oasis recognized the proper color, what will be like looking good, and the footer color it used here, somewhat of the footer color. Okay, so now you can use the windsurf to enhance the color, but I don't think this is because the informative bar component was just a simple process or the task, so windsurf should have uh, been able to complete it with just a single prompt. So now you can give it, change the color or whatever color you want, but right now I can just see the learn more and there are some of the text which I am not able to see, so the coloring issue is here. Okay, here is the cross sign also, I can remove it. This is something nice which Oasis didn't do. Okay, no issues. So let's move towards the further comparisons, and the comparison for building new component is this much, and you can see what you need to choose, Oasis or Windsurf. So now there is some issue coming, and let's see if Oasis helps us out in solving that issue. So here you can see here this is the issue, and now I will be going towards the Palm tab, and here I will be choosing the code sweep. So because I'm assuming I do not know from where the issue is coming, from which file. If I know particularly from which file the issue is coming, I can go with the single sweep and choose that particular file and just ask fix this issue for me, and Oasis will do. Now let's choose the code sweep, and here I will give there is some issue, fix it. This much I will be given, and it will go through your terminal, find the issue, and will tell what needs to be done and in which file. Okay, so it has detected there is some syntax issue, and this is typically the invalid JavaScript syntax issue. The exact code location and reason for error determined. Okay, so ready for the next step. Yes, we will be proceeding it. let's wait for it now, whether Oasis helps us in fixing the issue or not. Oasis is still working. Okay, so yes, complete fix generated. Oasis has detected the file is the page.tsx file, and this should be the code. So I will be opening my page.tsx, and this is the current file. Okay, so I will copy it and I will paste over here, and let's see if issue is fixed or not. Okay, yes, the issue is fixed now, and you can see Oasis has helped us to fix the issue. Some of the UI also Oasis has added, which is not required. You can remove them, but the issue is fixed. Now let's move towards the Windsurf and see if Windsurf is helpful in fixing this issue or not. So here I have created the same issue as you can see here, and let's see now if Windsurf helps us out in fixing this. So I will be giving the similar kind of prompt. There is some issue, fix it for me. Let's see now what Windsurf does. It is exploring, navigating, and diagnosing the project issues we need to diagnose. Okay, okay, I think it is going through every file. Let's wait and see if it helps us in fixing the issue. Okay, it is still working. Okay, especially in the page.tsx, I'll search the code base to confirm whether the chatbot and nav potential syntax issues, especially in the page.tsx. Okay, fine, it has detected from where the issue is coming. This is great. Searching the code base, export default functions, everything it is searching. Okay, exploring, it is still working on it. I will list the UI components directory to verify whether nav and chatbot exist and identify missing files causing the import errors. Okay, it is still working on it. It has already detected that there is some syntax issue in the page.tsx, and it should have given that first. It is going through each and every file. Okay, I will open chatbot.tsx, nav.tsx to check for the TypeScript or the import issues. Okay, and for just the simple issue, it is taking too much of the time. I think this is not the good thing. Okay, it is still running through the files. I will fix. Okay, it has now started fixing my page.tsx. Okay, now accept. This one thing is better in the Windsurf, accept all. I just need to do this, and all the code is injected in that particular file. Okay, Oasis will also work towards developing this kind of thing. I found an incorrect global CSS import in this that likely causes build runtime. Okay, we will see that later, and let's move towards. Okay, it has fixed. This is great. And in the layout, what issue it is saying at the rate. Okay, that is fine. And let's see now. Yes, the issue has been fixed. Okay, so Windsurf has also stand out in fixing the issue. Okay, Windsurf takes time, but it is also good for like fixing the issues. I hope you enjoyed this video and must be having a clear understanding how easy to use and how amazing is Oasis AI in comparison to other AI platforms like Windsurf. And also stay tuned for the next part of this comparison video, where we will be comparing the project generation of the Windsurf with the project generation of the Oasis AI. Until then, stay tuned for more updates on Oasis AI. Happy coding.